Yes, my name is Zipporah Florence Schreier, and I'm from Chicago originally, but because of Habonim, I met Bernie Schreier, and I live here in Detroit, Michigan, Birmingham. My favorite Yiddish song is often pripetshik because my mother taught it to me, and it goes like this. Often pripetshik burnt the fire roll, und Stub is haze, und der Rebeler und kleine Kinderla, dem alle Beis, zogsche Kinderla, gedenksche Teire, was du lernst do.
So schön.
Noch einmal, danke, noch einmal, kommt alle bis.
Dank.